All right, just wanted to show something here real quick. So me being me, I tend to weed things really fast. Didn't notice here that the teeth on this thing, this Raiders decal, got removed with the rest of the scrap there. So what I went ahead and did, cut a piece, just a piece of scrap, silver, and you can measure it to exactly what it needs to be, but I just got like what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different sizes. One of them's got to fit, right? I think maybe, and it's only the 2 teeth there, so I think that second one there is good. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take these out. So I did say it'd be the second row here. So I'm just gonna stick my knife under the sticker, let it stick to the knife. Set that down like so. Same thing with the second one, under the sticker, let it stick to your blade. There you go, good as new. When I first started doing vinyl, I don't know why, but I make a little mistake like that, and then I'd end up just going and just redoing a whole piece when I first started. But easy enough, and that applies to any sticker you make. You mess up one little part, as long as it's disconnected from everything else, easy enough just to cut a new one out of some scrap, or cut a new one out of some scrap, or even hand cut one. That's what I'm trying to say. So I have these AR-15 We the People rifle decals that I make. Okay. Now, the lettering inside of it, let me show you real quick as I try to weed some of this. With this particular design, see how like the center of the E, the L, the P, well, sometimes my vinyl cutter will pick those pieces up and lose them, you know, stick to the blade, whatever. So I actually duplicate those pieces and make it just a little piece right off here off to the side. So if any of those do get lost, or the vinyl cutter takes off with them, I got this little row here I can choose from, and that's just set in my file. So anytime I do this design, it's already got that little square cut out with those little pieces in it, just from experience. Now, having said that, the best way you could prevent that is just to edit your design so you're not going to have to deal with that kind of issue. They're not bad when they're bigger, like maybe 12 inches, but it's kind of a plain version of the We the People AR-15. I want to go in and do a clipping mask and put an actual piece of artwork inside the AR. Okay, and then all this extra stuff you got over here, you can just pick it right up, get rid of it. Easy enough. But this design actually stayed intact pretty good during the weeding. But this whole piece is full of these, so in fact you can see right here where my vinyl cutter took off with one of them. What's funny is these ones that are missing are actually from the little spare square that I have in each one, not the actual AR. Okay, just wanted to show you that. Thanks for watching.